Cryptocurrency is becoming an essential part of the digital economy, and the first step to getting involved is setting up a wallet. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of setting up your first cryptocurrency wallet so you can start managing your digital assets securely. The first decision you'll need to make is choosing the right type of wallet. You can opt for a software wallet, which is more convenient, or a hardware wallet, which provides extra security. For beginners, we'll focus on setting up a popular software wallet called Trust Wallet. Start by going to the App Store on your mobile device and searching for Trust Wallet. Download and install the app. Once installed, open the app and tap on Create a New Wallet. You'll be asked to back up your wallet. This is crucial, so be sure to write down your 12-word recovery phrase and store it in a safe place. Never share this phrase with anyone. After writing down your recovery phrase, the app will ask you to verify it by entering the words in the correct order. Once verified, your wallet is created and you're ready to start using it. You can now add cryptocurrencies by tapping on Receive and selecting the currency you want to add. Copy your wallet address and use it to receive funds from other wallets or exchanges. Security is crucial when dealing with cryptocurrencies. Always enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, on your wallet for added protection. Regularly back up your wallet and be aware of phishing scams. Remember, your recovery phrase is your key to your assets. Protect it well. Setting up your first cryptocurrency wallet is an important step in managing your digital assets. With the right wallet and security measures in place, you're ready to start exploring the world of cryptocurrencies. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below.